I'm happy to do a quick video introducing our new alert indicator for the higher time frame. This new alert indicator will give an audio alert when most of the conditions on the higher time frame are met. Plus, it will give us a text label on the top left to remind us which direction should we be focusing on the lower time frame. And for this example, you notice it's asking us to only consider short opportunity. When we have both moving averages looking down and the pips between them are less than 4 or maximum 4 pips, and price broke below, then we will hear an audio alert right at this point. And of course, we have to have the indicator, one of the parameters calculate on bar close set at set at false, and that way as soon as the price broke below, we'll hear an audio alert asking us to look for short on the 5 range. And then upon completion of this candle, we'll get a text label here, possible short on 5R. And for the conservative traders, you may choose to set the count on bar close at true, and that way you will only get the audio alert upon completion of this candle. Okay, this is a safer entry, because you never know when this candle continues printing, it may close above or it may turn green, right? So by setting it at true, it definitely will be more conservative and safer, and yet you may get in if this continues to be a short signal on the 5 range, then you may get in possibly 2 or 3 pips less favored. So if you're using this alert indicator, you probably want to play with both options, true and false, and see which one will meet your preference better. So once we have the alert, we'll switch over to the 5 range, and that signal happened to align with this. Like actually will be with the printing of the first red candle, and then we won't be entering into a short yet, because we are we'll be waiting for the entry signal for this short trade, the down triangle. As soon as we have this down triangle and we have the magenta down slope, we have the momentum down here, we have the price already below the magenta slope, and more than that, for using the higher time frame, we get an entry point reference will be around 44.35. So with all those indicators aligned, we entered around 44.34, and that way we will be able to get our 10 pips profit target. For the afternoon session, I will recommend to use a smaller profit target. For morning session, I suggest a profit target of 10 and a stop loss of 6. For the afternoon session, I will really recommend a smaller profit target, because the afternoon session usually is not as liquid stuff like fast movement. Morning regular session like between 8 and 11:30. The price movement is usually faster, and you'll be able to get in and out with the initial 10 pips target faster. So for afternoon session, certainly it's up to you whether you will consider my suggestion to have a smaller profit target. And for this example, we got our 6 or 8 profit target around this area. And then if you have a second lot, you can adjust your stop loss according to the little stop loss dot 1 pip above, and then that way you'll be able to stay in the trade. Okay, but I believe you will get a stop out on this red candle for your last lot, and you will still be talking about possibly 6 or 8 pips, and the trade did go more than 10 pips. Okay, so this is a very good signal, and it's for late afternoon around 3. And I'm happy to have this opportunity to introduce our new alert indicator that I created earlier this week. So you will give both an audio alert and then a text label that will continue displaying on the screen until like this one is a short indication, right? So until the one of the moving averages above are not looking down anymore. So one of them starting hooking up, then this label will disappear. The text label will disappear. And until then, we should only be looking for short signal opportunity on the lower time frame. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this short demonstration, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.